Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and this is Lesson 68 Starred Problems. If you're looking for Lesson 68 practice set, that's in a different video. So we're going to get into it. There's the practice set. I did that in a different video. And here's the starred problems. So let's see. This rectangular shape is 2 cubes tall and 2 cubes deep. How many cubes were used to build this shape? Okay, so what they're trying to get you to is volume. And the formula for volume is length times width times height. So we have a length of 3, we have a width of 2, and we have a height of 2. So volume's going to be 3 times 2 times 2, which is 6 times 2, which is 12. What's the name of this shape? It's a rectangular prism. All right. Circumference. So we know we have 2 formulas for circumference, 2 pi r and pi d. In this first, in this first problem, we're given diameter. So we're going to use the pi d, and it says to use 3.14 for pi. 3.14 times 40 is equal to your answer. Okay, I'm going to change colors. Here I have the radius, so I'm going to use the 2 pi r, and it says to leave pi as pi, so 2 times pi times 20. I know I can multiply 2 and 20, so that's 40 pi is my answer. Let's see. 11, mercy. It says the coordinates of the vertices A, B, C, are. So we have A is 1, -1, which is right here, A. B is -3, -1, there's B. And C is 1, 3. Oh, okay, lovely. I don't know what happened there. Let's go back. There's C. I tried to make a dot. Draw the triangle. Cool. It's a right triangle. Cool. Draw the triangle and answer the questions. What type of triangle is it classified by its angles? I just said it. It is a right triangle. Classified by its sides? I don't know. Let's see. So this side is 1, 2, 3, 4. This side is 1, 2, 3, 4. So I would say at the very least it's isosceles. Triangle ABC's one line of symmetry passes through which vertex or corner? So let me get another color. And the line of symmetry, where am I at? The line of symmetry is going to go through A. It's going to go like this so that it can fold on itself. What is the measure of angle B? So if A is 90 and these two sides are the same, that means each of these is going to be 45. So this is 45 degrees. And then area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height, or base times height over 2, which is equal to, we know that we just counted it out. This is 4 and this is 4, and it makes a 90-degree angle. 4 times 4 over 2 gives you your answer. All right. Oh, we did this today in our practice. Okay, so this is going to be keep, change, change, because it's a subtraction problem. So I have -4 plus a +6. They're opposite signs, so I'm going to subtract and take the sign of the larger. And you get your answer. Here I'm going to keep, change, change again. I get -4 plus -6. They're the same sign, so I'm going to add and keep the sign. Keep, change, change. So I have -6 plus a +4. They're opposite signs, so I'm going to subtract and take the sign of the larger. Keep, change, change. +6 minus, or I'm sorry, plus a +4. Same sign, so you're going to add and keep the sign. Okay, find the surface area of a cube with edges that is 4 inches long. So we know we have 6 faces, and the area of one face is going to be equal to 4 times 4. So you'll get that answer here. Whatever you get here, you need to multiply by 6 to get your surface area. Okay, fraction decimal percent. So this, we divide. This, we multiply by 100. This, we divide by 100. This is place value. Okay, so let's get into it. To find A, we're going to need to divide 3 by 25. Not 25 by 3. This should be a decimal. Okay, whatever decimal you get in A, so whatever decimal you get here, you're going to multiply by 100 to get your percent. Okay, and then let's take a look at, it's actually easier to do D than C. So D, we're going to take 120% and divide by 100. This also looks like this. You should get 1 point something here. And depending on the place value, you should have like this is actually going to be 1.2. So the 2 is in the tenths place, tenths. So if I say this out loud, I have 1 and 2 tenths, and you need to reduce. Okay, let me know if you have questions. Name of the geometric solid. I think you guys can do that one on your own. Let me know if you have questions. A rectangular piece of metal spins around a rod. As it spins its path through space, which geometric shape does it look like from problem 18? So this is going to spin. And if you're not sure, please ask me, but it's this one, just so you know. Okay, so we're going to multiply this first and get a number. And then everything else comes down. Okay, then we're going to do this part. 0.1, subtract the number that we got, and we get a number. And then we subtract it from 10 and get our answer. Answer. Okay, let me know if I lost you there. On this one, we're actually going to do this first. So we have our number that's this, and then everything else stays the same. Okay, and then we're going to have to do this part to get a number. And we have to do this part to get a number. Then we do this part. I'm going to pull this up here, and it's 3 plus some number that we get from 6 times a number. And then what happens here is you get the answer, 3 plus whatever that is. And that's it. Let me know if you have any questions.